Introduction to Python, Chapter 1. Welcome to Programming with Nav. My name is Nav, and I've got about 25 years of programming experience. I've done coding in almost all programming language. To name a few, C, C++, Java, .NET C Sharp, Visual Basic, Python, shell scripting, and in database, Ingres, MSSQL, Sybase, Oracle, DB2, just to name a few. I'm specialized in retail websites, but I started my career in banking. The history of Python. So, Python is a widely used, interpreted, object-oriented, high-level programming language. It was created by Guido van Rossum and first released in 1991. The reason it is an interpreted language because you save the Python file in the extension .py and then you execute .py, which gets converted into a different file, and then you run it. Hence it is called interpreted file. It is a fully object oriented language. It has got all the ingredient of the modern language. Hence it is a preferred language in most of the school, colleges, university, and it is the first language which is introduced to kids as young as 9-year-old. Python is even more popular than Java. The first version of Python was introduced in 1990, the second version in year 2000, and the third version in year 2008. So the version 3 of Python has been around for 13 years and is quite stable. If you go to the python.org and to the downloads, you can look at the history of Python releases. So the first one, as I said, version 2.0 released in 2001, and since then various different Python releases were released. So if you're interested, you can have a look at the release notes, and you can see 3.96 got released in June. So it is possible you might get a newer version here by the time you see this video. Now 3.9, the end of support is till October 2025. So we have got 5 years of life in this, so which is very good. In terms of popularity of Python, if you go to pythoninstitute.org and look at this website, you can see in 2018 Python was number 4th popular. In 19 it became number 3, and since 2019 November, Python is the most popular language with 26%, followed by Java. I totally believe that this is because it has been the most favored language in the school, colleges, and university. To talk about Python certification and how this course is based, so Python certification, you can go for entry level PCEP or an associate level PCAP, and then the professional level. So if you look at this website, you can see the entry level. It's mainly the concept of computer programming like data types, container function, condition loops, etc. So we are going to cover most of this in the first 14 sessions of this training course, and we'll cover the PCAP certification, which is intermediate level certification, in the next 8 sessions. After learning these two, you can go for this certification. Plus, you can learn more about PCPP1, PCPP2 at your own leisure. Once you have the fundamentals, you can just learn any further things, just learning different libraries which is provided by Python or different frameworks provided by Python. Now, Python is used in various different industries. Um, I've just mentioned a few here. Um, it is widely used in AI and machine learning, also in data analytics. There are various libraries present which help you with data science. Also, it is widely used in data visualizations. There are a lot of libraries available for simple graphical representation. In this course, we'll be talking more about programming applications. It is also used widely in web development. There are web frameworks available like Django, Pyramid, and Flash. Once you learn Python, you can jump into the gaming development. So for all the gamers, you can do the game development using Pygame. Pygame is one of the software which you can download, and whatever you learn in this course, you can apply it and then have your own game released in Android world and to the outside world. And there you go, you become a gamer. And finally, in the finance sector, now in finance, everything is now data and big data, and there are libraries available where you can use Python to deal with big data. And finally, learning any language, we have to say hello world as a programming ritual. So we are going to do that now. This is our first Python program for hello world, and let's run it. And there you go. You just said hello world to the world. That's our successful first running the Python program. So welcome to Python world. In next chapter, we'll be talking about how to install Python and how to run the Python program, etc. So thanks for watching. I have provided the links in the description below for the Python and PyCharm download. I have also recommended 3 Python books to enhance your knowledge. If you like this video, please like, comment, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.